All right, real quick, installing an hours meter on a bike. I've got mine right here. I'll show you the wrong way to do it real quick. So the 2012 CRF250X, you can see this is my the pickup wire right here. And this is a coil on cap spark plug boot. So this is not the way to do it. I'll show you right here. Ooh, I don't know if I can start this with one hand. Alright, got to start it so you can see the left side should be flashing. It is not flashing, so let's do it the right way. Okay, so what we need to do is, here's the coil right here, and that space right there, we're going to wrap the wire that's right there around twice. And since the ignition coil is what ups the voltage up, you know, probably thousands, 10,000 volts, and then it can pick it up on this pickup coil or this pickup wire to then take it to the hours meter. Okay, I got it wrapped just around twice. Looks pretty good. Pulled it tight. Plug it back in and we'll see how it goes. Okay, now we got it running.